Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
This is the graph. तुम्ही पळयात. This is very, हांव तुमकां सांगता, the data as it is. We have not touched even 1% here. The data is as it is. BJP 41%. AAP and Congress are neck to neck. This is very interesting. Even honesty बाबतीत AAP was scoring more than Congress, substantially more than Congress. Hanga AAP and Congress are neck to neck. MGP is 7, which is maintaining its vote share. Goa forward is 2, which is again around their previous vote share. And the biggest thing is undecided or chose not to answer this question but answered other questions is 14%. This is very, very interesting. हांव तुमकां सांगता, ह्या डेटाक आमी जसो आयला, कारण डेटा ऑटोमेटेड येता, ऑटोमेटेड फीड जाता, आमकां हात लावपाक मेळना, तशा तसो डेटा काडून हो पाय चार्ट केला.
If you look at the BJP's performance in all these questions, the performance or the perception is close to 40%. It is not only, it is not at all improving. 40% म्हणजे तुम्ही जर स्टॅटिस्टिकली जर पळयत जाल्यार 40% बीजेपीचेर जर हॅपीनेस आणि possibility of re-electing them in spite of having 80% of external MLAs and non-BJP MLAs, it is a danger sign.
My take on it, Pramod, is if you hold elections today, there is every possibility that AAP will be a second largest party in the assembly.
The BJP is consistently in the 40s. Now, there are various reasons for it. One is, as I have said, they are a cadre-based party, and their people will always back the party. And more importantly, what happens now, the BJP now has around 31, 32 MLAs, either directly or indirectly with them. And they do not want to convey a message to their party that the party is weak in their areas.
In 2017, BJP had 32.5% vote share. It has gone up to 41%. Indian National Congress from 28.4 in 2017, the vote share has come down to 17. MGP from 11.3, it has come down to 7. Independent, जो तुम्ही म्हणटालो भास्कर बाब, is 11.1 in 2017, but जो आमकां 14 undecided मेळटा, I have tell it that 14 against this independent, so that we know this 14 undecided decided to be undecided because they did not have any option among these 5. Biggest jump जो दिसता तो आम आदमी पार्टीचो from 6.3 to 19. And a Goa forward is 3.5 to 2, which is
talking about. So BJP actually has looked at improving their vote share compared to 2017. So
because they have got some heavyweight Congress MLAs who can win on their own in their fold now.
Absolutely. I'm not denying that. So Aadmi Party, there is a jump. This vacuum which people are looking up to fill is an opportunity for AAP. Now it all depends on how AAP makes use of it, how astute Aam Aadmi Party as a party is, how convincingly are they now able to go down to grassroots level and convince the voters that look, we are not honest only in perception, but we are honest in reality. But it's still BJP all the way. Again, the reason is not because people are happy with BJP. It is not because BJP is doing a great job. But अंधे में काना राजा.
काँग्रेसाची इतकी म्हणजे 18 पासून 5 पर्यंत जर हानी जाऊनही ताचो वोट शेअर फक्त 9% पडटा. सो हाचो अर्थ काँग्रेस जी डेसिमिनेट जी जाल्या असो जो दिसता तुमकां ऑन द चार्ट इज बिकॉज ऑफ देअर MLAs जस्ट शिफ्टिंग द साइड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. आणि ताचो बेनिफिट बीजेपी
काँग्रेसीची वोट्स तांचे बरोबर लॉक स्टॉक बॅरल गेल्ली नात.
This is one advantage for Congress and one disadvantage for BJP.
Unless these other parties, after seeing this kind of data, they are just to join at least some like-minded people for their own this thing. And if there is more than three corner contest, BJP.
You are saying that is going to benefit BJP all the way.
All the way.
All that is required will be for the Congress to come out and say, look here, we are born again. We are coming with new candidates. They should not accommodate any of the old persons in their seat or defeated candidates or whoever give them tickets. Make a commitment to the voter that we will provide good government